Welcome back to Trox TV. This week, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Instead of me showing you how to build something with Troxes, we've got my friend Dan here to show us something he invented while just noodling around in the office. So, take it away, Dan.
Thanks. Hello, everyone. So, this week I want to show you something a little different. Everything we've shown you so far is about building with fully folded together Troxes, tetras, octas. Everything here is made of those. But we've also been experimenting with unusual ways of connecting or using Troxes. I know John showed you how to do edge connections, and this week I want to show you sort of a fun idea I had when I was sitting at my desk. This is just a tetra. It's all black with one blue face, but I unfolded one of them and it created this sort of spindly little leg. I was trying to figure out what I could do with this, maybe make it part of something, and so I made a couple more, and when I put 5 of them together, it made this. Now this is just 4 tetras, and they each have an unfolded leg, and it creates this little UFO lunar lander thing that kind of sits gently on the table. So this is kind of fun discovery. We'll be obviously messing around more, trying to make more interesting things with unusual ways of folding Troxes, but if you're at home and you've got, I don't know, 20 Troxes, you can make your own UFO of any color you want. So, like John always says, please remember to subscribe and join us next week on Trox TV. In my mind, it's always a little cow.
The cow. It's
There's a
little
cow that it comes and like grabs onto.
I like that.
Yeah!